Hi, I'm Terry and welcome to Cat Scratch Kitchen. Today we're going to make pesto that you can keep in the freezer, but with a twist. We're going to use walnuts instead of pine nuts. March is National Freezer Month. So this whole month we're going to have freezer meals or portions of freezer meals that you can prep ahead and keep ready in your freezer. We might have some desserts, we might have some meals, we might have some sauces like today. And we're part of a collaboration that's being hosted by C&C Farms. She's hosting collaboration #FreezerMeals23 this entire month. And every video we do this month will involve our freezer. So let's get started. So for our pesto today, we only need a handful of ingredients. We're utilizing walnuts instead of pine nuts, which are less expensive, and a food processor. You need just those few ingredients and 5 minutes, and you're ready to go. We need 2 cups of fresh basil leaves. Now these are ones I pruned off my plants that I have outside. Take off the hard stems, rinsed and patted dry. Just dump them in the food processor. We need 1/3 cup of walnuts. We need 2 large garlic cloves. Mine are sort of medium sized, so I put 4 in. A little extra garlic never hurts. And mine have been frozen, so they look kind of translucent, but I did thaw them beforehand. We need 1/2 cup of shredded Parmesan and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to turn on the food processor and get everything mixed together and start the chopping. So you can see everything is thoroughly combined, but it's not a sauce yet. So now we're going to add the extra virgin olive oil to make it a sauce. Now with the food processor running, we're going to drizzle in 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. So you can see we have a nice sauce here, just the slightest bit of texture. And what we're going to do is we're going to put it in either airtight freezer bags or vacuum sealed bags and store it in the freezer. This recipe makes about 1.5 cups of pesto. I'm going to store it in 3/4 cup portions. Now you can increase this recipe and make more or do larger portions. It's all up to how you want to use it. So there you go, all set for the freezer. Now be sure when you're going to put it in the freezer, make sure you put it in an airtight container or bag immediately. Otherwise you won't lose that vibrant green color because the basil leaves start to oxidize and turn dark. They still taste great, but it's just not as nice looking. If you put your bags flat, they thaw a lot faster. And the night before, just put it in the refrigerator, allow it to thaw, and the next day you're ready to use it however you want. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Be sure to check the description for a link to print it out. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for a new video every Monday. And check out the #FreezerMeals23 collaboration. Until then, have fun in the kitchen.